Exercise 14E. The same for fractions. What problems we are having? The first question is from a rope 10 1 by 2 meter long. So long means length. That means length of rope is given to you, which is 10 1 by 2 meter. So just solve this. 21 by 2 meter. This is the length of rope. Then 4 5 by 8 meter is cut off. So length of cut off rope equals to 4 5 by 8. So now 8 4 ja 32 plus 5 37. So 37 by 8 मीटर. तो ये टोटल रोप, जैसे ये टोटल रोप है, ठीक है, इस रोप में से ये इतनी कट हो गई है, तो कट होने के बाद कितनी रिमेनिंग बचती है वो फाइंड करना है. तो सिंपली सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. ओके, सो यू विल राइट हियर लेंथ ऑफ remaining rope equals to total rope is 21 by 2 minus cut off rope is 37 by 8. So now as you can see we are having 21 by 2 and 37 by 8. So simply LCM is 2 1 ja 2 2 हो जाए 2 1 ja 2 2 2 ja 4 then 1 1 8 is your LCM. So LCM is 8. 2 की टेबल में 8 4 टाइम्स, तो 21 इंटू 4 माइनस 8 की टेबल में 8 1 टाइम, सो 37 इंटू 1 अपॉन 8. क्लियर. देन 21 इंटू 4, सो 21 इंटू 4 84 माइनस 37 अपॉन 8. क्लियर. So now subtract this. So 7 and 4. 47 upon 8 meter is the remaining row. Clear? So this is your question number 1. Question number 2 is same. 5 meter long है, वॉश करने के बाद श्रिंक होता है. तो श्रिंक मतलब क्या, कम होता है. तो 5 में माइनस करना है, ठीक है. बट क्या दिया हुआ है, इट श्रिंक्स 1/25 ऑफ इट्स लेंथ. तो लेंथ कितनी है, 5 है. तो 5 1 जा 5 5 जा. तो सेकेंड में 5 माइनस 1/5 करना है, आंसर आएगा 24/5. सो यू कैन सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ओके. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. I bought wheat worth rupee 12 1/2, rice worth, vegetables worth. Then I gave 100 rupee note to the shopkeeper. How much money did he return to me? देखो टोटल जो रुपी है वो 100 रुपी है. क्लियर. जिसमें आप वीट ले रहे हो 12 1/2, देन राइस ले रहे हो 25 रुपी 3/4, देन वेजिटेबल्स ले रहे हो 10 1/4. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कन्वर्ट दिस नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन इनटू इम्प्रॉपर. सो फ्रॉम दिस 25/2, 103/4, देन 41/4. ठीक है, यही आएगा. अब ये टोटल आप इतना क्या कर रहे हो, स्पेंड कर रहे हो, खर्च कर रहे हो. तो इन तीनों को आप क्या करोगे, ऐड करोगे. तो 25/2 प्लस 103/4 प्लस 41/4. तो ये दोनों 4 4 हैं, तो इनको पहले सॉल्व कर लो. ठीक है. तो ये दोनों 4 4 है, यहाँ पे सिंगल 4 आ जाएगा. और ये कितना हो जाएगा, 144 डिवाइड बाई 4, और ये 25/2 प्लस. अब एलसीएम निकाल के सॉल्व कर लो. ठीक है. फिर जो आएगा 100 में से उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, क्योंकि 100 रुपी टोटल है आपके पास. क्लियर. तो उसको जैसे अगर सॉल्व करोगे, सो 50 प्लस 144. ठीक है. एलसीएम निकाल के सॉल्व करना है, यू कैन सॉल्व. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. आउट ऑफ 500 oranges in a box, 3/25 are rotten, 1/5 are kept for some guests. How many oranges left in the box? So first you have to write total number of oranges. So total number of oranges 500. Then rotten means what, kharab. So number of rotten oranges. रॉटन मीन्स वॉट, ख़राब है, यूज़फुल नहीं है हमारे लिए, सो थ्रो कर देंगे, ठीक है। सो 3/25 आर रॉटन, सो 3/25, टोटल ऑरेंजेस 500, सो 25 1 जा 25, 25 2 जा 50 फॉलोड बाय 1 0, सो 23 60, 60 oranges rotten, okay. Then 1/5 oranges kept for guests, so kept for guests, oranges kept for guests equals to 1/5 into total number of oranges 500, so 5 1 ja 5, 100 ja, so 100 oranges kept, okay. Now the remaining oranges we have to find, so remaining oranges equals to total oranges 500, 60 rotten तो माइनस 100 अलग रखे गए हैं तो वो भी माइनस 50 में 500 में 60 गया 440, 440 में 100 गया 340, so 340 oranges which can be used for further, okay. Then question number 5, an ornament piece is made up of gold and copper if total weight is 96 gram and 1/12 of ornament is copper, so 1/12 in 96, so 12 1 ja 12 8 ja means 8 gram is your copper. So as you can find, total weight equals to weight of copper plus weight of gold, so total weight is how much, 96, sorry, this is for gold, okay. 1/12 of the ornament is copper, okay, so 1/12 of copper, so this 8 gram is copper. Then now total weight is 96, then weight of gold we have to find, so copper 8 plus weight of gold we have to find, so we will write weight of gold as it is, transpose this value, so weight of gold equals to 96 minus 8, clear, so 88 gram is your required answer. Then question number 6, a girl did half of some work on Monday and 1/3 of it on Tuesday. How much will she have to do on Wednesday in order to complete the work? Okay. So just remove this question because this question is related to uh, time and work and that is not in your syllabus. So don't solve this question. Then question number 7. A man spends 3/8 of his money and still has 720 rupee. Okay. So question number 7. A man spends 3/8 of his money and still has rupees 720 left with him. So we don't know how much money is having. So let a man has money equals to rupee 1. Now he spends 3/8. So amount spent equals to 3/8 of money. So money is rupee 1. So rupee 3/8 he is spending. Okay. So now amount left with him. Simply total amount rupee 1 he is having and he is spending that rupee 3/8. So just write only 1 and 3/8. Now solve this. 1 can be written as 1/1. So 8 into 1, 8 minus 1 into 3, 3 upon 8. So 8 minus 3, 5, 5 upon 8. So amount left with him is 5 by 8. And as you know, in the question it is given amount rupee 720 left with him. Clear? So amount left with him 720. So the total money 720 is left into 8 by 5. So 5 1 ja, then 5 14 ja, then 5 4 ja. 144 into 8. So rupee 1152. Total money he is having. Clear? So like this you have to solve question number 7. Then question number 8 is easy. In a school, as you know, number of boys plus girls are there. So 4 by 5 of the students are boys and number of girls is 100. Find the number of boys. So you can solve this question by taking x also. We don't know about total number of boys, total number of students. So as you know, in a school we are having boys and girls. So let total number of boys and girls equals to x. And as per question, number of boys, it is given 4 by 5 of students are boys. So 4 by 5 of x. So from there we are getting 4x by 5 equals to number of boys. And as you know that in a school total students are girls and boys, which is x minus 4x by 5 number of boy equals to 100. So upon 1. Now find the LCM. 5 into x minus 4x into 1 upon 5 1 ja 5 equals to 100. Now 5 into x 5x minus 4x upon 5 into 100. 5 ट्रांसपोज करना है राइट हैंड साइड में. 5x में 4x दिया 1x then 100 into 5. 1x can be written as x only. So x equals to how much? 500. So total number of students 500. Clear? But we have to find about boys. So as you can see, number of boys equals to total strength minus number of girls. So total strength is 500 minus number of girls 100. So boys are 400. Okay. So now you can solve question number 9, 10, 11. These all are same as this questions.